ClickFunnels review. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at ClickFunnels, and I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about them. I'm going to be giving you a walkthrough, a tutorial. I'm going to be giving you an overview of all of its pros and cons and all of its features. So let's get into it. So here you can see I'm on the website clickfunnels.com, and once you're over here you can go ahead and sign up. Now it's not free, so we will get into that in a sec, but you can see right here you can create your own funnels, you can create your store, your CRM, you have your email marketing options over here. You can even create online courses as well. You can even sell them. It's quite helpful. A lot of people are using it nowadays, so it's pretty cool. And this is like the pretty simple funnel mindset. You attract people with your attractive landing pages, leads, whatever it is, then you sell them and move them to the order page, where then they go ahead and move on to the website, where you can go ahead and give them the one-time offer. If they choose to do that, then you can go ahead and, repeat the process all over again. It's quite simple. So let's get into it. So here you got the platforms, and these are all the options that they have. So these are the funnels, these are the apps, right? So here we got sales funnels, we've got the funnel editor, the smart checkout, and the A/B testing, of course. And then we have apps where we have landing pages, surveys, clock downs, countdowns, courses, communities, store, email, automation, all of those stuff. So we can even create a bunch of different other options as well, like, AI payments, discounts, opportunities, appointments, and sites and hubs as well. So it's pretty cool. And let's go ahead and click on try for free, sign up, and get started. So to sign up, all you got to do is to simply add your full name, your email address, and you are good to go. All right, so after signing up, this is how it looks like. So I'm logged in and we are good to go. So next we can come over here and we can go ahead and choose our coaching package, right? So we click over here, we got to go ahead and select one of these options and then book my strategy sessions if you want. But personally, I don't want to do any of that. I just want to skip it if I can, but I can just simply skip out over there. And you can also click on no thanks, I'll skip my personalized and all of that. So next you just got to fill out this form, or I'll just skip this for now. I don't want any sessions. But if you want, you can book them. They can be helpful sometimes, but most of the times I rather skip them. Next, we got to go ahead and get started with our details. So here we just input our name over here within the workspace and customize our subdomain. And then, do you have an existing business? If you're not, you can just simply click over here and click on continue. I don't, but we'll click on continue. We can sort this out later. And then what type of category do you relate to the most, right? So what type of category does your business fall into, or the type of, products you're going to sell or promote, or whatever it is you're trying to do. Make sure you select the category. So for now, I'll just go ahead and select the affiliates and click on continue. We can even go with brandings and stuff like that. And for this one, I'll just click on the first one and click on continue. And do you know what you want to sell? I have some ideas. So I'll just actually go ahead and click on continue. And do you have an audience? Yes. Click on continue. And I don't want anything. I already know what I'm doing, so I'm going to click on continue. And here we go. So we are good to go. So this is how the dashboard looks like. So we got some, tasks and to-do lists to complete our, profile, create an audience, build a funnel and all of that. But, you can do this on your own as well. On the left-hand side, you're going to have all of your main options. You have your funnels over here, products over here, customers over here. All right, so now let's go ahead and set everything up. So first things first, we need to set up our workspace and domain. We can do this by clicking on this button over here and then just simply clicking on this button over here. And it'll take us to that area. And here we can go ahead and set up our workspace name, our workspace logo, site and subdomain as well, set up payments and allow other options as well. So down below, we can delete that if you want. So here in the subdomains, currently, this is our subdomain right here. And currently we can't upload or change it, but I think we can change it coming from over here on the left hand side. You'll find the domains option right here, and here you found this option right here, and here you can click on add domain, click on this button, and here you can get a free domain or click on add an existing domain. So if you already have a domain, click on this button over here, just simply paste the domain name over here. You need to add the DNS setting as well, and then configure it and verify it. So just paste the domain name over here, click on continue, and here you can set up as a primary domain or as a subdomain. I think a primary domain is better. Click on continue. And then here you can go ahead and set up the DNS settings. You can go with the automatic or the manual one, full control. It totally depends on you. If you click on manual, click on continue, then you got to do this manually. So these are the domain records that you have to add. These are the email records that you need to add. These are optional, but these are the main ones. So you got to go ahead and copy them exactly like the type, the name, and the value over here. So to do that, open up your domain registrar and select the domain you want. And here in the domain DNS settings, just simply select the type you want. So it was a txt and @ and then I think we have the value over here, and then we just simply paste it over here and then click on add records. Now I'm not going to do this because it's already connected to another website and it's going to be a hassle to remove it and it'll take time. So you just simply paste it and then it'll go ahead and verify it automatically by just simply clicking on continue, and you should be good to go. After like a certain amount of time, 15, 20, maybe even 30 minutes, it'll be connected and you should be good to go. And then we can go ahead and create our funnel. So creating our first lead funnel is over here, coming over here, clicking over here. We can click on this button right here, or coming over here on the left hand side, clicking on funnels. And here we can create a funnel as well. We also can create products as well, which we can use in our funnel. So that's also an option. So let's go ahead and click on create funnel, and here is the type of funnel you want. So we got the lead squeeze funnel or the summit funnel. These are unboxing funnel, presentation, phone. Other funnels are available over here. So these are the storefront as well. And we have other funnels such as storefront as well. So go ahead and select whichever one you want. You should be good to go. But for this video, we'll go ahead and select the book funnel. People want to book like a session with us. We're going to go ahead and click over here. So these are the type. So step 1, step 2, and confirmation page, right? So we got the templates available over here. Select whichever one you want. And once we've selected, we should be good to go. So let's say that I want, they're all pretty similar, nothing too crazy. The only real difference is the color and the images and the names, but layout is exactly the same. So kind of like this blue one. So we're going to select this one, give it a couple of seconds. All right, so we've installed the funnel. We should be good to go. We can now go ahead and click on customize and customize the funnel. And this is how it looks like. So this is the funnel. This is the main funnel right here. Then we have the upsell, and then we have the confirmation. So pretty simple. On the left hand side, we can see all of the information, the average cost, earnings, and upfront costs and everything. And if we want to go ahead and, customize them, we just simply hover our mouse over here and click on edit. On these forms, we can edit them however we like. So the editor is pretty simple. All right, so this is how it looks like. And the editor is pretty simple. You can just simply go ahead and select the area you want. So you want to change the image, click on it. Here you have the video URL. You can change the video, you can change the text by clicking on it. It's pretty simple, actually, nothing too crazy. And once you've edited, you can just simply hit the save button and it'll be live. So now you know how it works. So I'm just simply going to skip this step because it'll be too much. But you can go ahead and do this. And once it's customized, then you can click on this customize button and change the domain name and add other options. And then just simply click on the update funnel button. And then you're good to go. So, and then you can click on the product section over here and add your products and you're basically done. Then you can just simply, run the funnel and gather your audience and let them, buy your product. And this is the price right here. You can see right here. And this is the monthly price. You can see right here, we got the launch, the scale, and optimize. You can check the link in the description below and sign up using that link. You'll find a pretty massive discount as well. It'll be helpful for you. And you can see all of the features, pros and cons and stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.